Alright, buckle up, gearheads. We're diving headfirst into the ultimate rim revival. These babies have seen some rough days covered in peeling plasti dip that's begging for retirement. But hey, we've got the heat gun, a superhero in the DIY world. It's like watching a mini miracle as it softens up that stubborn plasti dip, revealing the gleaming potential hiding underneath. Now here's where the magic gets even better. Enter the drill brush. This little gem is our secret weapon for an extra clean canvas. It's like a spa treatment for these rims before they get their fabulous makeover. And speaking of fabulous, get ready for the star of our show, glossy black vinyl wrap. We're talking sleek, shiny, and ready to transform these rims into absolute stunners. It's like dressing them up for the Met Gala. But wait, there's a cool trick up our sleeve. Picture this, a pack of cards. Not for poker night, but as our mighty shield. They're our safeguard against overspray as we spray on that glossy top coat. Innovation at its finest. Now applying this vinyl wrap, it's like an intricate dance of precision and finesse. Every curve, every edge is wrapped with absolute perfection. It's craftsmanship that turns these rims into the Michelangelos of wheels. And the grand finale? You guessed it, the glossy top coat. This is the magic potion that seals the deal, giving these rims that show-stopping shine. We're talking Hollywood red carpet kind of shine. And just like that, from worn out to wow worthy. These rims have been through a DIY transformation of epic proportions and are now ready to hit the streets and steal the spotlight. There you go, a flowing adventure that takes those rims from worn out to show-stopping, packed with DIY tricks and a whole lot of excitement.